In this video, we will guide you on how to pack your breast milk for milking to precious lifetime memories. Things you need: breast milk, 2 pieces of breast milk bag, permanent marker, milking bag. You may use fresh or expired breast milk. Please label your name and order number. Gently pour into the empty bag. Try to flatten the milk bag. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Check for any leakage. You may bubble wrap it before putting into the bag. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and follow our social media.